Okay, so friends, today we will discuss the types of accidents and the causes of accidents. So, what are the types of accidents which are going to be happen in the industry? So, the accidents in the occurring in the industry is according to the causes of events, according to the length of recovery, and according to the nature of injury. So, according to the causes of events, the accidents can be machine accidents or non-machine accidents. If the cause accident causes because of the machinery parts, then it is called as the machine accident. And if the cause accident causes because of the person carelessness or something, that is called as the machine non-machine accidents. Then according to the length of recovery, lost time accidents, home case accidents, and first aid case accidents. If the person is going to be report to the work within 28 hours, then it is a first aid case accident, it cannot be reported. Home case accident in which the person has to go to the home for the week, or the worker is not going to join the duties. And lost time accidents in which the time is going to be lost, that is the indirect accidents. Then fatal accidents, permanent disablement, and temporary disablement accidents. So these are the types of accidents. Then we are going to discuss the causes of accidents. Majority of the industrial accidents are due to the transmission machinery, for example gear, belt, pulleys, coupling, shafting, cutters, tools, clutches, and cutting machinery, etc. To minimize the accident, it is necessary to know about the cause of the accidents. Okay, so what are the accidents which are occurring in the industry? These are most of the accidents are due to the transmission machinery. The transmission machinery have gears, belts, pulleys, coupling, shaft, cutters, tools, clutches. All these parts are moving parts. Okay, so if the worker comes in direct contact with these parts without using the protective gears, then definitely there are chances of accidents. So the general causes of accidents are given below. Accidents due to the dangerous machine. These accidents occur from boiler, pressure vessels, prime mover, transmission system. Okay. Second is unsafe physical conditions. It includes the improper guard, improper illumination, improper ventilation, unsafe clothing. Then moving object accident causes due to the moving object. Sometimes moving object or foreign objects causes the accidents. Personal factors. Sometimes the accident causes personal factor. Lack of knowledge, physical weakness are the personal factors which causes the accidents. Sometimes the accidents are due to unsafe fact. This includes working at unsafe speed, loading machinery beyond capacity, not using the safety devices, adopting the unsafe procedure. Okay, so this is the you are not operating the machine as per the recommended standard, that as per the SOP. Okay, if you are going to unnecessarily increase the speed or decrease the speed, you are not going to operate at the recommended speed, then that causes the accident. Loading machine beyond capacity. If the machine is designed for say 1 ton and you are going to load it to 1.5 ton, definitely that causes the damage to the machinery part, as well as it may causes damage to the worker also. Not using the safety devices recommended for that particular operation, so that will also result into the uh, accidents. And adopting the unsafe procedure. Unsafe act are the violence of commonly accepted safe procedure. Then electrical causes are there which causes the accidents. So what are the electrical causes? Do not provide the proper protecting devices, not obeying the proper instruction and safety precaution, failure to use the insulated flyer, screwdrivers and rubber gloves. These also result into the electrical accidents. As far as the electrical accident concern, these are the major accidents. These are the major cause of accidents which for the accidents which are occurring in the industry. Okay, so we are not going to provide the proper protective equipments. Earthing must be proper. If it is there is no proper earthing, that will definitely result into the accidents. So if you are not going to follow the proper instruction, definitely that will result into the accidents. Okay, you need to follow the proper instruction, and safety precautions are there. So what are the safety precautions when you are going to handle the electrical equipments? So some safety precaution, that you have to wear the hand gloves, you have to say rubber gloves over there, you have to wear the shoes. Okay, they should not touch the any bear conductor. So these are certain things that you need to take. Do not touch the metallic body, okay, or electrical conductor or electrical equipment with the wet hands. failure to use the insulated pliers when you are going to do the repair work or that. So whatever the pliers, screwdriver you are going to use, that must have the sleeve, that is insulated one. If you are going to connect your hand to that metallic part of the screwdriver or plier, that, and if it is the conducting surface, so definitely what happen, you will experience the electric shock over there, and exposure to the harmful substances. Injuries due to accidents are also caused due to the exposure to the harmful substances like toxic gases, fumes, dust, vapor, mist, and aerosol. So these are some things which are the causes of accident into the industry. Okay, so major causes are due to electrical. Then second is the personal factor and unsafe act. These are two major things that will result into the most of the industrial accidents. We are not going to follow the recommended procedure. We are going to just take the shortcut. We are going to just operate the machine at various different speed which are not recommended. Okay, so definitely that will result into the accidents.